This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with basic safeguards. Keep battery above half and enough free storage so the launcher saves changes reliably. Once done, long press an empty area of the home screen to open the customization menu. This is faster than digging through settings. Make sure you tap home screen settings, not themes, because that controls grid, app screen, and icon behavior. You're starting the process now so you can see the options that directly affect spacing, swipe actions, and folder creation. Now you'll change density and organization. Tap home screen grid and choose 4x4, 4x5, or 5x5 to increase or decrease icon density. Higher numbers show more apps but reduce icon size. Next, long press an app icon to move it, remove it, or access resize handles for widgets. Drag edges to expand widgets into empty spaces. To group apps, drag one app over another to create a folder. Name it for quick access. Make sure to test different grids so you know which balance of visibility and space works best. Finish by tapping back or home to apply changes, then swipe through each screen to confirm everything sits right. This ensures widgets didn't overlap or icons hide. If available, enable lock home screen layout to prevent accidental moves, and adjust icon badges or app grid again if something looks off. If your layout fails to stick or behaves strangely, clear the Samsung Launcher cache in Settings apps, force stop it, or restart the phone. These steps usually resolve corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.